Hello everyone, welcome back my beloved kings and queens. My name is Joyce McTeer and I am the owner and operator of LaJoytra Creation Designs. I'm coming to you all today to talk to you about the playlist Get You Some. Okay y'all, so this video is for those of you who are new and for those of you who are my super supporters. Now, this here is my channel. If you're paying, if you are watching this, you see a cursor moving around. I'm going to actually talk to you about the different playlists that I have on my platform. Okay, so if you go, once you go to my channel and you're going to see home, you're going to see videos, you're going to see playlists. You want to click on the playlist. Once you click on the playlist, I have 1, 2, and 3 playlists. This right here, I don't even know how that got like that product review. But anyway, when you go to the first one, it says DIY. These are all of my DIY and how to make videos. I have 328 DIY videos. Now these videos are, some of them y'all may have already seen. Some of the videos are old, like, cause see, once I upload videos, I don't delete them, so they pretty much stay up on my channel pretty much for the duration of however long I have my channel. So those videos are for those of you who want to learn how to do a different jewelry technique. Okay, that's what those how to make and DIY videos. That's what these are for. So when you click on it, it's going to pop up. And once it pops up, if you go to the right, you're going to see the playlist. See all of that? I'm going up and down. Go to the right. I'm going up and down. Okay? And you can move the cursor up and down. And this is going to show you all the different types of DIY videos that I have. Okay, I'm gonna actually click on one so y'all can actually see. I'm going right here. You click on this and this is going to come up. Okay, and the thing about this too is that it's going to run. Yes, I'm sorry y'all, my daughter was asking me a question and it popped up on my on my phone because I'm recording from my phone. It's going to once you click onto this playlist, it's going to run and run and run, so you can binge watch these. Okay, you can watch these on today, which is the holiday, and as a matter of fact, I hope you all had a wonderful and awesome holiday. So you can binge watch these today. If you're off tomorrow, which is Friday, you can watch them tomorrow, Saturday and Sunday. You can just sit and binge watch and learn a different jewelry design technique. Now pretty much everything that I show y'all how to make, each and every one of these videos is a different jewelry technique design. Okay, I try not to repeat what I do. So if you're watching a DIY, trust me, it's 328. They are all different. None of them are the same pretty much. You will never see me do or repeat a design. I try not to do it like I just said. I really try not to do it, okay? So I'm going to go back to my channel. And then I'm going to click my playlist again. And my next playlist is my inspirational messages. So I'm going to click that. I'm going to go.
We're not just building homes, we're creating community.
Over to the right side, right here where you see my cursor going up and down. And these are for those of you who want an inspirational message. And I have about 200, I think 239 inspirational messages. Now, like if you just want to hear a message or hear a word, you click on that playlist and that will give you, you can go down, you can actually pick and choose which one you want to listen to, because they are all in order, as you can see, and I have plenty of them. Okay, so you can get on here, you can get your inspirational message on. All right, and like I said, and this is especially for those times when I don't upload a video. Okay, so I'm going to go back to my playlist again, and I'm going to talk to you all about my my jewelry design technique classes. Now, somebody, from time to time, I do get people asking me, do I offer jewelry design technique classes? Yes, I do. Okay, I have over 7, but I only have 7. See, this is one of them right here, and this is a class that I offer that's going to show you how to make these flowers out of aluminum wire.
In this class, you will learn.
Okay, so if you come over here to the right side, once again, you scroll up and down. Like I said, I have 7 that is going to show you.
Michael's Black Friday sale is going on now.
That is going to show you how to, it's going to show you the actual design. But if it's something that you want to learn how to make and create, it is a class. And basically what you will do is you will reach out to me. I believe I have my email information in these videos. You will reach out to me through email telling me you want to learn how to do this jewelry design technique class, or you want to take the class. And the class is the classes that I'm offering now, depending on the design, is between $20 and $25. So if you want to learn how to do a design, just reach out to me and let me know, and I will get back to you to let you know about the class. Now see, this is another class, and this is another design that I do, and it is a class. And if you want to learn how to do this, and the thing about the classes is it's a video, so you'll learn it through video. Okay, it's already a video that I have, and what I do is I send the video to your email. You make your payment, I send it to your email. This is for those of you who want to learn how to make a different design, because this is something that I do not offer otherwise. Okay, this here is a class. Okay, so with that being said, I hope that this video has helped you all today. So like I said, I have over 328 DIY videos. I have over 239 inspirational, motivational messages. And I also have 7 jewelry technique design classes. And like I said, if you are interested, send me an email and I will get back with you. If you have sent me an email and I have not reached back out to you, because sometimes my email be full, y'all. It be flooded with other things. But anyway, just wanted to take this time to show you all what all I do offer here. I've never done a video about my playlist, so I figured that I would do this video so that for those of you who are new and don't want to search through looking for my DIY videos, here you have it. A lot of times people see playlists, but they don't really know what playlist is. So I figured I'd do this video to help you all out. And like I said, this is for those of you who are new, and this is for those of you who have been following me for quite some time and just may not know that I have these videos right here. Okay, so with that being said, I would appreciate it if you all would give this video a thumbs up, like, and a share. And until the next one, peace And blessings, my beloved kings and queens. See ya.